Alright guys, so today we have the 2006 Ford GT. This is the V8 supercharged. You guys can see it's in the red spec with the symbol on the front. Now walking around here, you guys can see the hood is crazy.
Big hood scoops.
Of course, the engine's in the back. If you come down here, you guys can see the Ford GT symbol on the door. Now, if you want to take a quick look inside here, take your time.
I love the e-brake in there.
Great, it is.
Yeah.
Now if you come back here, you guys can see the engine is in the rear. This is the 550 horsepower V8 supercharged engine. And if you come back to the back, you guys can see the rear tail lights. As well as the exhaust pipes right in the middle.
Very nice, very nice.
Very cool. You guys can see the height.
Yes, sir.
It's pretty low, this car.
You know what I like about the back? The diffuser on the back looks pretty aggressive.
Oh yeah, guys, you can see. It's a good point. You can see that right there, diffuser. Very cool.
Alright, check out these wheels. What do we got here?
Oh yeah, okay, let's take a look at the wheels there. So you guys can see, these are 19s, I believe. Big brakes, Ford GT symbol in the middle.
Clean,
And a
clean.
nice finish, yeah. Very wide, very wide. Now if you guys come up this way, you guys can see the mirrors are very interesting shape. Don't really ever see that.
No. Where's the gas cap?
Right there. I'm glad you asked.
Jeez. Right in the front. You see that, guys?
Crazy. Alright guys, thanks for tuning into another episode of Straight Through the Mag. That pretty much wraps up the 2006 6-speed manual Ford GT in the red spec. And we'll see you guys in the next one.